Hello and welcome! In today's video, I'll guide you through the simple process of setting the time to automatically close tabs in the Firefox mobile browser. Managing your tabs can help keep your browser clean and improve performance. Let's get started with the steps. First, open the Firefox browser app on your mobile device. Next, tap the three dots icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Then, from the menu that appears, select Settings. After that, scroll down and tap on Tabs. Now, scroll down again until you find the Close Tabs option. Here you have four choices: Never, after 1 day, after 1 week, or after 1 month. Finally, select the option that best fits your browsing habits by tapping on it. That's it. You have now customized when Firefox Mobile automatically closes your tabs. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.